We have a Numpy array stored in the variable so-called data. We want to access the first element at index 0 of that array, which is 1. In order to access the first element at index 0 of that array, we must specify an index we want to extract from the array. Indexing starts from 0. We can extract the first element at index 0 like this: data 0 in square brackets. If we want to access the second element at index 1 of that array, we write data 1 in square brackets. Let's see the different scenario. We want to extract elements at indices 0 and 1, which are 1 and 2. We can access the elements at indices 0 and 1 like this. The square brackets are used to access elements of the array. We can use colon to separate the start and end indices of the slice. 0:2 is a slicing notation. It specifies a range of indices we want to extract from the array. Keep in mind that the ending index in slicing is exclusive, meaning that the element at the ending index itself is not included in the result. What about extracting all elements from index 1 to the end of the array, which is from 2 till 3? As a result, we create a new array or sequence containing elements starting from index 1 inclusive to the end of the array. It is one way to extract all elements from the second to last element to the end of the array. There is also another way to extract all elements starting from the second to last element to the end of the array. The expression data -2 colon in square brackets creates a new array that includes elements from the second to last element, which is 2, to the last element, which is 3. So, the subset array will contain elements 2 and 3. Negative indexing combined with slicing is a very powerful tool that allows us to work with elements from the end of an array without needing to know its length explicitly.